So, good day, class. I will be discussing to you the basic concept about assessment of learning. Uh, assessment of learning is a fundamental aspect of education that plays a crucial role in guiding instruction, measuring students' progress, and providing feedback for improvement. And here, here's the some basic concept. So first, the definition and purpose. So assessment of learning refers to the systematic process of gathering and interpreting evidence about the student's learning to make informed decision about teaching and learning. So the purpose, monitoring students' progress, tracking student growth, and identify areas for improvement, guiding instruction, inform the teaching strategies, and adjust lesson plan based on the student's need. And the next one is providing feedback, offering student insight into their strengths and weaknesses. Next is evaluating the programs and curriculum. So assess the effectiveness of the educational program and curriculum. The another one is the accountability, demonstrating the effectiveness of education system and school. So I will be discussing to you the types of assessment. The first is formative assessment, ongoing assessment conducted during the learning process to monitor the students' understanding and providing feedback. For example, quizzes, class discussion, exit sleep, uh, informal observation. So the second assessment is the summative assessment. So assessment conducted at the end of the learning until of the course to evaluate overall learning and achievement. Example, exam, project, essay, standard test. The next one is diagnostic assessment. So assessment conducted at the beginning of the learning unit occurs to identify the student's prior knowledge and skills. For example, pre-test, interviews. So there are key principles of assessment. The first is validity. Assessment measured what is intended to measure. So the next one is reliability. Assessment produce consistent results over time. The next one is fairness. Assessment is the unbiased and provides equal opportunity for all students. The next one is transparency. Assessment proceeds criteria are clear and understood by the students. The next one is meaningfulness. Assessment is relevant to the learning goals and provides valuable feedback. So class, there are different assessment method. First, there are traditional assessment. So, multiple choice tests, fill in the blank quiz, or essay question. There are performance-based assessment, a project, presentation, portfolios, or experiment, and demonstration. And there is authentic assessment. So, real-world tasks that require students to apply their knowledge and skills in meaningful contexts. So, there is a self-assessment. Students reflect on their own learning and identify the areas for improvement. We have here a peer assessment. Students evaluate each other's work. So, uh, uh, class, we're going to discuss now the importance of feedback. So, first is informative feedback, providing specific and constructive feedback on the student's performance, highlighting the areas for improvement. We have here formative feedback, providing feedback during the learning process to guide students' learning and improve performance. The another one is summative feedback, providing feedback at the end of the learning unit or the course to summarize achievement and identify the areas for future development. So class, I will going to discuss to you now the rule of technology. So digital assessment tools providing efficient and effective ways to create, administer, and to analyze assessment. The next one is adaptive learning platform. Personalized learning experience based on a student's performance, and online resources, access to the wealth of assessment materials and tools. So now I will going to discuss to you assessment in the context of learning. First is the assessment for learning. Assessment is used to guide instruction and provide students learning. Assessment of learning. So, assessment is used to measure students' achievement and providing feedback. And the next one, assessment as a learning. Assessment is a integrity into the learning process, allowing the students to become active participants in their own learning. By understanding this basic concept, educators can design and implement effective assessment practice that supports students' learning, guide the instruction, and contribute to the more meaningful educational experience.